Many business owners wonder how to make sales in foreign markets. Sometimes the opportunity to sell directly to foreign buyers comes right to you through your website or an international visitor to your booth at a trade show. Or maybe you have an existing relationship with a retailer that has international outlets. That's a great way to realize your product or service has potential outside the US. But those few sales may not support the volume you're looking to generate by selling internationally. Many exporters have found international success working with a local sales agent, representative, or distributor. Local representatives can help identify sales and marketing opportunities, manage local regulations, and handle logistics on the ground. In some situations, such as products that require after-sales support, franchise businesses, or government tenders, a local representative is a must. Finding the right foreign sales rep for your business is key. Of course, you want to make sure the reputation of your potential local agent is solid. But you'll also want to determine what expertise they bring to the relationship. Ideally, they know your industry, have established distribution channels, and a record of sales performance. If you need help with the management of logistics, regulation, marketing, translation, or other issues, confirm that they are willing and able to provide these services. If repairs or warranty service are required to support your sales in that country, make sure the local rep can manage after-sales service. Before entering into an agreement, you should talk with an attorney who is experienced with the laws of the country you are targeting. Most of the time, an attorney will recommend you have the foreign representative sign a binding, written agreement that specifically outlines responsibilities and expectations from both parties. The agreement should specify territories, address exclusivity and compensation, and be for a set period of time. It should also specify how the relationship can be terminated and each party's rights upon termination. Your local U.S. Commercial Service Office, along with their colleagues at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate, can work with you to find representation in foreign markets. They can also help you with due diligence on potential foreign partners and provide lists of local attorneys that specialize in trade law and other services. For help identifying and vetting potential foreign representatives, contact your local U.S. Commercial Service Office today. You can find your closest office at trade.gov.